Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Yev and I'm a mindset and spiritual empowerment coach, and I'm so happy that you can join me on today's video. I'm super excited for today's topic because it's a topic that we should have talked about a long time ago. So I'm going to tell you why it's super important to manifest from the heart and not from the mind or the ego. And this is going to be a huge game changer for all of you manifestors out there. So definitely stay tuned and watch the video until the very end to get all of the juicy info. Also, if you want to learn more about spirituality, mindset, law of attraction, manifestation, then definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel below by clicking on the subscribe button, and also hit that bell button to always be notified whenever I upload a new YouTube video, so you'll be the first to watch. So I very often get this question from the girls that I coach, and they ask me, Yeva, I've been trying to manifest a car by myself. I've been doing all of the manifestation tricks and tools that I find on YouTube and stuff. Or other girls will ask me like, yeah, I'm trying to manifest my ex back, but it's not working. I'm trying to manifest a house, but it doesn't seem to be working. And they'll ask me why that is so. And when we get to the root fundamentals of their manifestation, I always ask them, what is your intention? Why do you want it? Like, really dig deep into why you want this and the intention of whatever it is that they want to manifest. It's not coming from the heart, it's coming from the ego. And we're going to get into that right now.
2 hours later.
First and foremost, when you manifest from the heart, your manifestation will come way more naturally to you. And also, your heart is energetically much more powerful than your mind actually is. It vibrates more, it vibrates on a higher level than your mind actually does. So when you manifest from your heart, your manifestation will become much more powerful. We have a much higher frequency. Like I said, it's more powerful than manifesting through the mind or through the ego. And it will be a much bigger manifestation. It will be much more powerful, and it will be easier energetically to manifest. For example, you're trying to manifest more money, and your intention behind your money manifestation is that you want more materialistic things, or that you want to be more accepted into society. For example, you want to have the latest handbag, you want to have the latest sneakers, you want to have the latest phone, you want to have the latest clothes, and you concentrate on having these materialistic things. And what you're doing is you're concentrating on what your ego wants to have, because your ego wants to have latest watches, latest clothes, latest shoes, latest travel locations, whatever. That's what your ego wants, because that's society's perception of perfection. So that's what your ego wants you to have. And you concentrate on these things because you think that, yeah, that seems cool. Everyone has that. I'll want that too. And you accept that to be what it is that you actually want. So you're concentrating on what your ego wants and not what your heart actually wants or desires. And the thing with this is, when your manifestation comes, because the materialistic manifestation, even when you're manifesting from the ego, your manifestation will come, but it might not bring what you emotionally desire to have. It might not bring you the happiness that you thought it might bring you. It might not bring you what you truly do need or what you think you need. You know, it won't fulfill your heart's desire because it's a very 3D materialistic wish or desire. It's not going to fulfill your true wants and true needs that are inside of your heart. You know what I mean? If you, however, manifest from the heart, and the intention of your manifestation is completely different automatically. So, taking the same example of manifesting more money, like you're not manifesting money for your materialistic needs and kind of like to validate yourself, but you're manifesting more money to donate more to charity. Or you want to travel to those places not because all the celebrities go there and all of your friends go there, but you want to go there because you want to see the culture. You're interested in the culture. It's a different level of interest. It's not a level of, oh, I will be seen as a rich person or I will be accepted if I travel to these locations. Instead, it's kind of like, I think that's really, really cool and I'd love to experience that because I think I will develop within myself. I think that's something really cool and I want to try it out, and not because the other people are doing it. Or you want to buy a car or a new car, not because everyone has that type of car, but because you want the feeling of freedom. You want this feeling of comfort. You want this feeling of safety when you drive. Or you just think this car is really cool, but not because you will be accepted when you have this car. It's the intention behind it, it's the intention behind whatever it is you want. You can want the same thing with your mind or with your heart. You can actually want the same thing. Like, you can want money, but if the intention is just to be accepted by society, or if the intention of your wish is to feel like you're better than other people, or feel like you're worthy, or feel like whatever it might be, if it's coming from a place of ego, a place of fulfilling your egoistic thoughts and needs, it's not going to bring you the true happiness. But if you want the car or the money because you want to donate to charity, you want to feel safe when you drive, you want to experience the true freedom when you have a car or when you have money, or you even want to save, what it's all about the intention that is behind your manifestation. This is a really, really, really powerful thought and tool that you can integrate. And the intention is what makes the difference. The why is what makes the difference. This is the game changer. If you have the intention to manifest something, to feel worthy, to have approval from other people, to feel powerful, if that's the intention behind whatever it is that you're manifesting, then it's coming from the ego. And if it's coming from the ego, it's not going to bring you the joy that you truly aspire. It is not to say, however, that you shouldn't manifest nice things, like nice materialistic things in general. I'm not saying that at all, but it's the intention behind your wants. It's the why. Ask yourself, why do I actually want to manifest this? Why do I want to manifest the car? Or why do I want to have this or that or this or that? Is it because of the approval that I aspire to have from my parents? Is it the approval that I aspire to have from my spouse? Is it because I don't feel worthy? Is it because, why do I really want this? And when you get to the core of it, a lot of it is going to be because of your ego. And then you have to take the time and think about, okay, why should I even fulfill my ego? Because your ego is never going to be truly fulfilled. It's just going to tell you more and more and more and more. You have to consume more and more and more and more. And so many people ask, yeah, I want to manifest this, this, and this, and this. And they're all like luxury goods. I'm like, okay, where is this want coming from? Because you have to understand manifestation and the law of attraction. They're very powerful sources, and they're made here to really, they're made on this planet. These things exist, like the law of attraction, manifestation exist to, in my belief, to really fulfill our inner needs and really to fulfill our hearts and our wants, you know. And it's a beautiful source. It's a beautiful source. So you can use this tool to even figure out more about yourself, find out more about yourself. Ask yourself, why did I want to manifest that car? I already have a car, you know. Or ask yourself, do I want to manifest this car because all the rich kids have it, or all the really successful people have this car? Will I then feel successful? Is this what I'm striving? Do I feel not worthy now? Do I feel looked down upon from others? Like, you can really get to your core of the thing, the way that you feel to certain things in life, you know, and that you can use again and fix those unworthy feelings and fix all of those things that you're feeling, or these bad emotions, or these limiting beliefs. You can fix all of these through affirmations. But I have a video on affirmations that I will link above, so if you want to check that out, do that. So ask yourself why you want to have it, and the actual reason behind the why is your intention. So be aware of that intention. Like, you can still manifest a new phone, but you can even manifest it from the ego if you want to. You will still receive it, but you'll learn a lot more about yourself, and it will be a much easier manifestation if you manifest the phone from the heart, for example. If you say, okay, I really want this phone because my old phone is broken, or I want a new phone to be able to take nicer pictures and make better memories and stuff like that. Or do you want the new phone because everyone has it? Everyone has it, and I will feel worthy when I have it, you know? Ask yourself that question. Remember also, your ego, like your mind, is connected to everyday life. It's connected to society, basically. And you yourself know what goes on in society. Consume, consume, consume. Fear, fear, fear. And that is what your ego builds up to be like. So it's really important to identify what is coming from your heart and what is coming from your ego. And your heart is the source within your body that is connected, like, to your soul, to your intuition, to your higher self, to higher sources. That is all connected to the heart. So it does make sense that if you manifest through the heart, your true happiness will be achieved. But if you manifest through your mind, you will just be consuming more, and that might not fulfill the inner needs that you actually want to kind of fulfill. When you change the intention of why you want something, you change the reason of why you want something. And through this, you can really grow as a person through your manifestations. You can really grow and develop within yourself through your manifestations. When I started manifesting, consciously manifesting, when I was 20, so that was 7 years ago, when I started doing that, I was manifesting materialistic things. But after a while, I noticed, okay, these materialistic things, I think that's a plane, sorry. But after a while, I noticed that these materialistic things are not actually what I aspire to have. They're just filling a hole. They're just filling an empty space. And I got down to understanding what that empty space was. And I still ended up manifesting things, materialistic things, and I still do now. Just my intention behind it is completely different. And thus, these manifestations come much faster. I feel more fulfilled, and you grow as a person. You really, really do. So ask yourself next time when you're manifesting, is my manifestation, is my intention coming from the heart, or is my intention coming from the ego, and think about that for a bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I loved making it for you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel below and click the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And yeah, I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!